Thanks for being here. You ever used any Android apps? You streamed Netflix or you played Minecraft games? Yes or no? These are runs on Java programming. Oh, but what is the Java? Let's come break it down. Okay, okay. What is the Java? Java is a high level programming language and object oriented programming language and platform independent programming language. Okay, it's created in this programming Java programming created by James Gosling. Okay, at 1995. Okay, okay. What is the high level language? High level language means is human readable language like English language. Okay, low what is means of low level language is not human readable but machine readable language like assembly code and machine readable code. Okay, and high level language have a automatic memory management. Java have a automatic memory management is a no manual memory allocation and deallocation, but C language don't have automatic memory management. Only have manual management like C have a C programming have a malloc deloc. The method use must use, then I free the memory. Okay, but Java programming no need the like auto memory management. Oh, yeah, automatically memory manage free up the memory. Java have a garbage collector. Is that garbage collector remove the waste memory. Okay, okay. Is he understand high level? What is the high level language? Okay, high level language means human readable syntax like English language, and Java have a automatic memory management system. Okay, okay. Next, what is the object oriented programming? Object oriented programming means there's have a two things. First one, class and object. Okay, what is the class like a blueprint or template. Okay, what an object on object means what is the object means the object a real thing created by a class. This means one object created from the class is a parent. Like object is many things. Parent one many childrens. Yeah. Okay, let's go with the example. Class means students. Have a student means one, but object means one students means many things. Students means one, object is many individual person. Arjun, Rahul, Meena, me, we created from a class. Okay, everything is the object like model real world entities. Okay, you understand object oriented programming. First one, class and object. Class means class like a blueprint or template. Object means the object created from the class. Okay, the object is real world entities like many things, many individual things. Depends on blueprint, depends on class. Okay, object oriented programming have must learn the four pillars. Have a four pillars. What is the four pillars? First is encapsulation and inheritance and polymorphism and abstraction. Okay, these four pillars of uh, object oriented programming. After a few completed videos after explain the oops concept, it is a most important concept of oops in the Java programming. Okay, I explain individual what is the encapsulation inheritance. I post after. Okay, okay. Next, and platform independent. Okay, what is the platform independent? You return the code, write once, run anywhere. Okay, you write one code, write anywhere, run anywhere. Okay, how is work? You write a Java code compile to bytecode. Okay, Java code compile to bytecode. The bytecode runs on JVM. Like JVM means Java Virtual Machine. Okay, Java machine can run on the major platform like you have your Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, etc. Okay, okay. You what is understand means platform independence. You written a code, you run anywhere. Okay, ORA means abbreviation. Okay, your Java code convert to compile to bytecode. Bytecode runs on JVM. JVM is Visual Machine. JVM exists on the Windows and you have any platform Windows, Mac OS, Linux, etc. Scope path. JVM source Java byte convert to byte to virtual machine specific execution. Okay, you understand? Okay, you understand what is the Java? Okay, next. Why use Java? Next question. You learn why use Java. Okay, I explained that. Write once, run anywhere. Okay, you already learned. Previously I said write once, run anywhere. Java code runs on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, etc. But other language cannot do that. C language that not do that. Only Windows that could work, and that copy another platform not work. Okay, strong community and libraries have. Okay, Java have a secure and reliable language. Okay, in most of banking apps, mobile banking, GPay, Phone Pay, many etc. All of the bank using Java. Okay, Android apps, big companies, Fortune 500 companies. All of these companies, most MNC company use the Java. Okay, because it's a very secure language, but C language and Python, many languages not secure. Only secure one language is Java. Because because I use the Java program. Okay, it also multi-threading support. What is the multi-threading? Can run multi, you do multitasking at the same time. Okay, you don't lag. You understand why use Java? He runs he runs you write once, run anywhere. Okay, next one, strong community and libraries and secure and reliable. Multi-threading support, you run multiple tasks at the same time. Okay, you understood? Okay, next. First, what is Java? Next, why use Java? Next, where Java is used. Okay, first used for Android development. First, you code Android development. Okay, core language of mobile apps. You build the mobile apps, must language is Java. Okay, core language of mobile apps. You must build the you must use for Java, can build the mobile apps. Okay, Android mobile apps. Enterprise software means banking apps. You already told banking, most of banking apps used to Java. And e-commerce website also like Amazon, Flipkart, many e-commerce website used the Java. And web application, you know about one of the backend language is Java. Okay, and backends for Netflix and LinkedIn and Uber. Spring Boot means it is a collection framework, Java framework. Okay, next, financial tech, high tech and trading and payment system and frequency trading. This platform used Java. Okay, IoT and embedded system also used smart device, medical equipment and car tech. These all used Java. Okay, let's recap. Android, where used Java, Android development and enterprise software like banking apps, web application like backend, backend programming, financial tech like payment system and trading, IoT embedded system, a smart device and medical equipment. Okay. Next, I explain three types. What is the Java? Why use the Java? Where use the Java? Okay. Next, advantage of the Java learning. Okay, it is very safe and secure. Is Java designed by secure feature. That's why used the backing and enterprise system. Okay, they have a huge community support. Okay, it is a object oriented programming. You are previously I said you is object oriented programming. Java is a fully object oriented programming. This makes a this make codes reusable and clean and easy management. Okay, object oriented means already told you. Next is faster because if faster because compared to bytecode and optimize the JVM. Okay, but other language is slower. Python language is slow down, but Java is a very faster compared to other programming. And Android development. Java is the main language of Android apps. If you build a dream to build any apps, build the Android apps, you must learn to Java programming. Okay, is most of companies recruit the Java programming and many use case here. Okay, let's explain all of this. First, explain what is the Java. It is a high level language, object oriented, and platform independent. Okay. Next, high language means human readable and automatic memory management. Next, object oriented programming is have a class and object. Class means blueprint. Object means object created from the class. Okay. Platform independent. Platform independent means right ones can run anywhere. Java code compared to bytecode come to runs on any platform. Okay, why use Java? Already told that. It also multi-threading support. Okay, okay. Now next I post many videos. Keep supporting me. Okay, thank you.